Okay, good. So let us continue. The first action of today, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created sexual desire between man and woman. It is haram to fulfill these desires with the same gender, which is homosexuality, man with a man or woman with another woman trying to fulfill this desire. We learned this action coming out of the story of Lut alayhi salam and his people who were into this ill practice. We discussed several dimensions of it, of what are the causes, what should be the cure, and most importantly, how we can prevent ourselves as Muslims. And the simple answer is that we have to lower our gaze, we have to stop ourselves from shamefulness, we have to engage ourselves in other positive activities and really try to protect and shield ourselves from all elements of shamefulness that are being spread around us. And it is, we discussed, billions of dollars are being spent so that or any other currency that you want to think about that are being spent in order for people to consume all of this content and believe that, this is certain, that this is something that is natural, or it is a disease that is coming, which is born disease or something. No, but we learned today in the lesson that it is a psychological disease or disorder that should be cured. It should be taken seriously once a person falls into it, and there should be psychological sessions and therapy that should happen for a person to be to come back. And the most important point in this discussion was that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala cannot and has not created a desire that we are unable to fulfill, and that he has termed as haram. So something that is haram cannot be created by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala as a desire for us. So all the arguments that it is something natural and people don't have control of and all of these things get fizzled out when we get to learn that there was a nation, Lut alayhi salam, who were punished for this bad practice. And obviously, if it was something natural, then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala would not punish them and hold them accountable. And obviously, we also discussed that it is indeed a big azmaish and a big test for someone who is going through, and they need to get proper counseling in order to overcome it. The second action and the final action for today's class was give full measure and weight. Don't deprive the people of their things, and don't cause corruption on earth after its reformation. And these words, give full measure and weight, we looked at them in multiple dimensions. We looked at them in multiple instances of our life. It's not just about the hawkers or the meat sellers or the vegetable sellers that they are putting the right weights. Of course, it includes that as well. But the bigger part of this is whenever we are earning our livelihood, we should fulfill the contracts, we should fulfill the expectations, be it in an employer-employee relationship, be it in a business relationship, be it in any form of contract that we are doing, and we should not cause corruption or take bribes and all of this, because these individual actions also have a repercussion for the entire society. Because when someone gets away in committing this sin, then the other people also get encouraged that I can also earn more, I can also do this, I can also escape away from office, I can also not fulfill the service and still get the full money and all of these things, which is why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has told us that we cannot deprive people and we cannot cause corruption, especially after its reformation, especially after laws have been established. So this was today's class.